Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Jabra Elite 4 Active with any MacBook. To do this, you have to open this charging case and then remove left and the right earbud. Next, you have to click and hold both buttons until this indicator's right here blinks blue. If it is not working, just release and repeat. As you can see right now, they are blinking, so we can release both buttons, put them close to our MacBook. Then we have to go to the system settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on with this switcher at the top, and then select Jabra Elite 4 Active. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. At the end, I will recommend you to open the sound settings, and for the input and output device, just select your Jabra Elite 4 Active. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.